Here's a great deal on a 2015 Jeep Patriot. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.